Why does Tornado Alley exist only in America? The answer reveals a unique storm recipe you won't find anywhere else on Earth. Tornado Alley forms in the central United States because of its unique geography. Cold, dry air from Canada and the Rocky Mountains collides with warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. This clash creates unstable atmospheric conditions perfect for spinning storms called supercells, which spawn most tornadoes. No other place combines these exact air masses in such a wide, flat area. The vast, flat plains of Tornado Alley let storms develop and sustain their rotation without interruption. Mountains and hills elsewhere block or weaken these storm systems. This flat landscape is like a giant storm playground where powerful tornado-producing supercells can form and travel long distances. The particular air masses that collide over Tornado Alley are rare globally. Warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico rises and meets cold, dry air descending from Canada and the Rockies. This creates strong wind shear and instability needed for tornado formation. Other continents lack this combination of air sources in one place. While tornadoes occur worldwide, no other region matches the U.S.'s perfect storm setup. Other countries may have moist air or cold air, but rarely both in this combination with flat terrain. This explains why Tornado Alley is unique and why it experiences more tornadoes than anywhere else on Earth. So Tornado Alley exists only in America because of its rare geographic location, where unique air masses collide over vast flat plains. This creates the perfect storm conditions for tornadoes unlike anywhere else. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.